Introducing the 2006 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear cup holders, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.